brought everybody together. Why still open? Who says we have
But
closed
you
the
have
doors?
already decided some of the candidates. That's why I'm saying.
Boss, we are deciding in this 1 month. Today is what? Today is 22nd. So there is less than 1 month. 28 days remaining. You think in 28 days, another 6 days we take to decide who's the candidate, another 5 days to go and patch up with the consent people. Are you going to reach any voter? And without reaching any of those voters, are the voters going to vote for you? Me, for example, now I've helped these people making this recreation ground. Will they just vote for me? No. I have to wear these tennis shoes and come to their house, have their cup of tea, make some discussion, then only they vote. This is the custom in Goa. If घरा जर तूं पावना कोणाच्या तो मत मानना. सादें कॉन्सेप्ट आहे. गोंय म्हणटा ल्हान. कॅन्डिडेट म्हणटा पावपाकूच जाय. व्हडली भाशणां दिली नॅशनल लिडरा काडून भाशण दिवन इलेक्शन जिखना हांगा. तूं जर कोण ते मनशाच्या घरा येना आनी ताजे कडेन डिस्कस करना आनी ताजे कडेन पांय पडून वोट मागना तो तुका वोट मानना. आनी वोट मानना जाल्यार तूं जिखना. मागीर ही सगळी भाशणां करून आमी जर वोट मागपाक रस्त्याचेरूच वचना जाल्यार आनी इलेक्शन कित्याक जिखतले?
तुम्ही म्हणूंक सोदता की other parties are not very serious.
I am not knowing what about other parties. I am talking about me. My style of politics is this. I don't want 50 seats. I can't afford 50 seats. I don't have the money to fight 50 seats. I have 10 seats. My idea was to the Congress was 10 to us, 10 to the RGP, 30 to the Congress. Don't tell me the Congress is very, very strong at the moment. Congress was strong. It has become weak. But if they feel that they can fight all the 50 seats, so be it. They have a right to believe whatever they want to say. I am not forcing my opinion on them. I only said that I am capable of fighting 10 seats and having a good strike rate. Number one. Number two, if you start categorizing this man as this, that man as a real estate broker, आणि कोण as a builder. अरे हे सगळें BJP करना. BJP's cabinet is made of 70% defectors. Yes or no? Other than Pramod Sawant. And to some extent, I think Subhash Valdesai. Everybody has gone everywhere. तांकां कोण काय म्हणना मरे. तांचे मनान वचून कामां करून घेतात मरे. आनी एक आमी घेतलो कितें घेवन ताका तकलेर घेवन भोंवले आमी ताका घेतला आमचें इलेक्शन जिखपाक. कित्याक ताका 6,500 ऑड वोट पडले. As an independent who has rebelled from the BJP, not from the Congress, by the way. Isidore Fernandes did not defect from the Congress to contest and get the 6,000. He defected from the BJP. ते वोट आमी घेवप ना. मागीर इलेक्शन जिखपाक झगडप ना. इलेक्शन कितें हें करपाक झगडप कितें तें give a theory lesson. Let's not go too much into academics. Let's go into the practical and what you call the, let's be pragmatic. Let's be pragmatic. It's not easy to defeat the BJP today. To fight the BJP, you have to have a strategy. I cannot tell all my strategies in a press conference or to the media. My strategies are there for me to win my party. And my party is clearly against the BJP. We are fighting it out. We have no internal in these relations with the BJP. Another thing, the RGP is talking about unity. They say people are saying that you have to unite. In 24, there is this Captain Viriato's success, which is attributed to unity. Where was the RGP then? That time people did not tell you that let us unite and get that Captain Viriato elected. So let us not go into the past. Nobody wants to go into the past. Nobody wants to, try to impose your view on anybody else. I don't want to impose. They're making a reference that Raja Jang Sotta. Kon Raja Jang Sodna? Let's be civil. See, for Captain Viriato to win, I went to the RJP candidate who in Fatarda constituency, whom I didn't know for Adams. I met a brother in London. Went to her, said, let's come together. I went to the TMC candidate, at Siola, Advocate Siola. For whom I went? I went for Captain Viriato. Did he not benefit with the unity? Did those votes not come? Or did you say no, TMC vote आमकां नाका कित्याक ते प्रशांत किशोरान डिव्हिजनान हाडिल्ले ओ लुईजीन फालेरान फोडून गेल्लो अशें म्हणलें आमी. म्हणूं येता राजकारण मरे मतां जालीं मतां सगळीं मतां ट्राय करपा जाय. आमकां कोण RSSाचो मनीस गाळी पसून मारता ताजे घराक वचनासतना आमी नेक्स्ट घर वता ना. हांव जाल्यार वचना. हांव वता ताजे म्हऱ्यान ट्राय करता की बाबा जाता जाल्यार कर आमकां. आमी इतलें केलां आमकां जाता जाल्यार मातसो आदार कर म्हूण. हे हो धर्म जाता मरे राजकारणांतलो हेच करप ना तांच्या मनान वचपूच ना हाका घेवप ना ताका हे करप ना ताचे तो बहुजन समाजाचो कॅन्डिडेट मरे एकलो आयला ताका म्हणटात ब्रोकर लँड ब्रोकर अरे कोण वयर सरता तो मानच्यो मारपी मनीस ब्रोकर कोण ना गोंयान सांग म्हाका तूं ब्रोकर कोण जमीन आपली विकता कोण ना रे तूं सगळ्यांकूच जर लेबलां मारपा लागले ब्रोकर वो तो म्हण कोणें रावप ती इलेक्शन प्रशांत नायकान रावप ना कितें करप तें तो मडगांव फुलां विकता म्हण काणकोणा कित्याक काय म्हण हें विचारतलें फाल्यां म्हळ्यार रावप कोणें अरे मनीस वयर सरता तर गोंयकारांनी आमचे भितर आमची नाटकाय दाखोवप ना आमी सगळे एक जाताले कित्याक BJP घडोवपाक आज BJP कितें म्हणटा BJPन कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर करूना कित्याक करना ते भिल्ले आहा कोण डिक्लेअर जाता खंयच्यान हें फेस्त जाता काय म्हणून ते रावल्या हें पयलीं एलायन्स तुटपाक आनी मागीर तांकां जाय तांकां खुट्याच्या माकडांक ते डिक्लेअर करतले आनी ते जिखून हाडटले
काल